welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make onion bonda. Very quick, easy and delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add 2 onions thinly sliced, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, a pinch of asofietida, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Now all the ingredients are well combined, so start adding little water at a time and mix well. Keep adding water until you get this consistency. Now our onion bonda batter is ready, so let's start making the bondas. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add scoops of onion bonda batter. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. When one side is nicely done, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for another 2 minutes. Remove when the bondas turn golden brown. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, crispy and delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.